Good morning, welcome to St Jean Pied de Port on the 2nd of May 2023 at about 9 AM. I've let most of the people get on ahead of me, which is the best way. Quick hint, we see people getting lost. In the movie, The Way, they go down that way and over the bridge. It's wrong, you go up this way. So carry on, straight up the main street, you can't miss it.
But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong.
Doesn't matter how many times you do this route, you always forget just how steep the hill is. I'm about 1k short of Orison now. It's taken me nearly an hour, so I'm going a bit too fast, which is why I'm out of breath. But what do you think, sir? Buen Camino.
We can't predict the future, baby, I won't lose you, you know. I will stick around. Yeah, I will stick around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay
Just having a little chat here with Paul from Bournemouth. Hey, you doing the whole thing?
The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine.
Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight.
Forget there's a camera. I could just and you make fun. Have a picture or just the whole way?
It's always recording everything. Every direction.
Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Well, I might regret that a bit later on. I've just had lots of drinks with some new friends that I'll never see again because they're not going to catch up with me now. Ria from Denmark, Elenia from, I think she lives in Germany now. Hello. And Paul from England that you saw earlier. So I'm going to carry on for another 6k, 7k, something like that, and see if I can find somewhere to stay. If I can't, then the sky will be my ceiling tonight. Let's see if the Camino provides. Just my friends at Everyday Journeys YouTube channel. Look, guys, Dave, it's a tractor.
Something like that. Without any shoes on, and holding my hand to spin you around, and I sing you a song, and taking a breath.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me, and I'll see you on the next video from Espinal to Trinidad DR.
I feel okay, almost the same, but I know I'm not here.